Coffee, editing, butchers, video, multi-task. Hello peoples, it is Thursday night, 9:34, and I'm working on editing right now. They're working on packing up the car with some of the stuff so that we can leave tomorrow because we have to check out at 10 a.m. So hopefully gonna wake up early and then pack for the remainder of the time and then leave this condo at 10 exactly, sharply at 10. So tonight I wanted to finish up some things. One being this pack with me vlog that I will be posting this Saturday, so in 2 days. And by this time this video will already be out last Saturday. So I'm working on that to make sure that it gets out on time because I would like to upload it and schedule it tonight overnight because we do have Wi-Fi here. And then I still need to pack most of my clothing into my suitcase so that tomorrow I don't have to worry about packing the whole morning, and hopefully I can enjoy the sunrise and maybe some games or something else during the morning because tomorrow's our last day of vacation and I want to enjoy the time that we have tomorrow morning and not feel stressed and feel like it's just all packing and stuff tomorrow. So I got into a cute outfit for tonight just because I wanted to, plus I wanted to spray my arms because they're extremely burnt here as well as on my shoulders on both sides. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm also super burnt here as well, so all burnt up, but it's fine. We will get it together and I will see you guys in a little bit. Currently, if you didn't know, I'm just trying to work on packing as much as possible before tomorrow. I'm also watching styling videos because I'm really into that right now, if you didn't know. This is tomorrow's bag, tomorrow's outfit, packing, and then a little accessories and stuff for tomorrow, and a few more things to pack, and then just the stuff that I'm using tonight is all right here. And then same with this situation as well. And I have to switch this outfit out now for my comfortable pajamas. I hope the transition worked out. Maybe it did, maybe it failed. It's actually 10:23, but Dad said the moon is really pretty, so we're gonna go out and look at it because he said it looks really nice and I want to share it with you guys. So I feel like I've kind of fallen off my vlogging game today or this week. Could be right, could be wrong. I don't know, I just feel like I could have vlogged better. I just want to make great videos for you guys. And I don't feel like I have the experience to make those great videos or the backgrounds. I mean, backgrounds are a big part of it in my opinion. But anyways, let's go see the moon. There's the moon. I kind of want to go outside and enjoy the weather. If I were to go outside to edit, I would not be able to bring you guys with me, so I guess I'll do this for a few minutes and then we'll head outside so that I can film, I can focus on editing and not also on filming and not worry about bad lighting. So let's get to editing. Just been twirling my hair. Okay, back to editing. I'm gonna head outside now for enjoying the weather and editing as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's 7:32 in the morning. I'm super tired, and today's the last day of vacation. We have to leave here at 10 a.m. exactly. So 2.5 more hours here and we have to leave. Pretty much packed fully, which is great. I just have to put my bathroom stuff in here. And then after that, I can just change and enjoy the little bit of time we have left here still. I tried to upload the pack with me video overnight last night, so you check it out. So it's still on 85% and it's pending. Looks like it disconnected from the Wi-Fi, unfortunately. Accept and continue, done. Alright, back to uploading. It's at 85% right now, so we still have a good bit to go. But hopefully this finishes before we leave, because I don't want to have to take this home and then do it on the home Wi-Fi, because our home Wi-Fi is not very good. I'm going to go ahead and put these chargers in my bag, and hopefully I can get the charger bag put away. So, we have watch, phone, and laptop charger, as well as camera charger, both adapters, and the phone tripod thingy. So it looks like I have all of my chargers accounted for. I'm gonna go change, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright peoples, it is 9:21. We have to be out of here at 10. We're hoping to get out of here sooner than 10. So excuse me. Sooner than 10, so that we are not rushed. I can't talk today. I did my hair in these two French braided buns. They're not super great, but they're fine. I kind of like a casual vibe today. I haven't ever worn anything like this, but we're trying it out. I have a backpack. I have my gold necklace, camo, crop top. Hello, Dad. Sneakers, tank top, crop top, joggers. So yes, this is the fit, as well as a scrunchie to, you know, just make it all like extra casual and extra like relaxed. So here's the fit. I gotta put on some chapstick. I have this for in the car, and everything else is packed. I also made myself coffee this morning. Alright, the last look at the lovely place. Got the ocean front, our whole sections, this little area where I took photos earlier, and the little bridge there. And this is what our area here looks like. You can't really see it, but I hope it looks good for you guys. Also, I did a photo shoot here, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is Elise YT. I'll put it here on the screen for you guys, and you can follow me there. And I have all the photos that I took, or most of the photos that I took, I have them on there. So make sure that you follow me there, and then you can engage with some more of my content other than just YouTube videos. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I think I'm gonna end it here because this is pretty much all the vacation. I may have a little bit of B-roll coming soon with going at the surf shops. I may see you in a few minutes, but other than that, I think that's pretty much everything for this vacation. It was like a 4 to 5 day vacation. It was a nice break here at Myrtle Beach from, you know, work and all the stress of life. So that was really nice. And I will see you guys next week for whatever video I will be posting then. I'm not sure yet what video, but I have plenty of time to do it. So I hope to see you then, and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that video. Great success with the video uploading. It's fully ready to go, fully optimized and ready for tomorrow's posting, which is super great, so I don't have to worry about it at all. And if I ever do any more editing, it will just be on this current video of the vacation vlog. Vacation. You know, the bakery. Kind of do want to try a bucket hat, but I don't know. Part of me wants a straw hat, part of me doesn't. Anyway. No. So many choices. I don't like shopping. But I do like shopping. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe, potentially. I love this color, but I don't think I like this color on me. The Carolinas. I don't know. Good color or not good color? Getting this one and this light blue. Went the sweatshirt. What?
Turtle sticker on my canteen.
Good. That would be cute. Quick update. So, I have these on because I'm working on editing currently for this video, but I want to update you guys. And I also got a pair of sunglasses. I've been in search for sunglasses for at least a year and a half, so gotten a few over the past few years and tried them and hated them, but I still wear them because because I didn't have better options. I do eventually want to invest in some Ray-Ban, but for now, these will work. They have minimal cat eye vibes, so that's usually better for my face shape, usually. So, yeah, we're doing these. Hopefully they look nice. They look nice and stylish, plus they're brown, so brown always tends to look good on me with glasses. Also, we stopped at Starbucks and went in and got some drinks. So, I got a venti matcha, a venti iced matcha latte. So, it's good. I may get a little over caffeinated, but it's fine. And that's pretty much it for the whole vacation and what we did. So, that's everything. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below if you want to see more videos, and I will have a new video out next week, so see you guys then.